So I told Jeff he's got to do the dishes, and some of them are mine. He's probably gonna be kind of pissed off. But yeah, let's show you what I did here. Set up a little trap for him. So I put a rubber band around the faucet, and so when he turns on the tap, hopefully it'll spray him right in the face. We'll see. He's gonna be pissed. There we go. Should be good.
Yo, what's up, dude?
What's up? Hey, can you do those dishes?
Yeah, in a minute. Let me use the restroom real fast. How's your day, man?
Yeah, my fucking computer's being a piece of shit.
Yeah. Shit, I'll do these dishes. Fucking bread. The fuck? God damn! You fucking kidding me? The fuck? Oh, fucking Brad.